Maritime shipping always plays the leading role in the Chinese-European trade, as well as most of the trade in the world. However, a land logistics corridor across two continents has been steadily growing. During the past global pandemic, it surpassed maritime and air shipping, becoming the most stable and secure logistics channel, delivering medical supplies and Christmas gifts made in China to the people of Europe. It is called the New Silk Road, sometimes the New Eurasian Land Bridge. It is the intercontinental freight railway that has been operating for over a decade, the China-Europe Railway Express. In 2014, Chinese President Xi Jinping witnessed a train arriving at Duisburg, Germany from Chongqing, China. A year earlier, he had proposed the Belt and Road Initiative, using the Silk Road as a historical symbol, to invite countries along the route to develop comprehensive economic cooperation.
It was a great honor that President Xi Jinping visited Duisburg. Obviously, he was quite happy to see that the One Belt, One Road initiative finally reached Duisburg. From our point of view and from me in person, a very impressive and very emotional moment.
Since then, it has attracted increasingly more media attention.
The freight has crossed 12,000 kilometres in just under 18 days.
The first freight train to come in to the UK from China.
It's a lot faster than the current Trans-Siberian or Trans-Mongolian railways.
The hurdles facing logistics companies are significant, but one route, it seems, is too big to fail: the rail route connecting Europe and China.
Over the past decade, this railway line connecting Asia and Europe has maintained regular operations. The opportunities it brings to countries along the route have become captivating with every clash of the tracks. On June the 8th, 2016, the China-Europe Railway Express officially launched its unified brand, with 8 cities, including Chongqing, Chengdu, Zhengzhou, Xi'an and Wuhan as the starting stations. On June the 20th, the Chinese President and Polish President attended the arrival ceremony of the China-Europe Railway Express after the brand unification.
原来传统的这个海运可能需要几十天到欧洲，重庆从2011年开通渝新欧这个班列，11000多公里，整个全程运行的时间16天，所以对吸引笔记本电脑行程采集取是非常有诱惑力的。
The China-Europe Railway Express brings made-in-China products to the European market, most notably cars and laptops. Chongqing has long been a global manufacturing base for laptops, with 1 in every 3 laptops globally produced there. In recent years, as the local automotive industry has flourished, the value of cars has greatly increased, surpassing that of laptops.
我们长安汽车经由中欧班列出口的地区和国家主要是多电器的地区。在2023年吧，我们经由中欧班列往中欧市场的一共有接近6万辆，然后占我们长安在当地的出口市场的占比呢在60%到100%不等。中欧班列是我们长安发往目标市场的最主要的运输方式。
More and more high-end European cars, fine wines, agricultural products are now heading towards Asia through the railway, turning this route into a substantial two-way channel. For Europe, the arrival of the China-Europe Railway Express has also propelled the region's sustainable development. Duisburg is an industrial city located in Germany's industrial heartland, the Ruhr area, where coal and steel once drove prosperity. Today, the steel industry faces challenges such as environmental protection and fierce competition. The city is looking to develop the modern logistics to drive the economy. Situated on the banks of the Rhine River, Duisburg port is the world's largest inland port, where ships can sail directly into the ocean via the Rhine. The port is connected to the railway system that spans Europe, making it a logistics hub on the European continent. The China-Europe Railway Express has turned the port into a significant gateway of trade for Europe to Asia.
There was a lot of interest then of Chinese companies which were searching for activities in Europe, and they focused on Duisburg. So the city of Duisburg had a lot of profits out of it. A lot of companies settled here in Duisburg, so a win-win situation.
The modern logistics industry brings new companies. Countless goods are being transshipped here, breathing new life into the city of Duisburg. New job opportunities are opening up for locals.
Ich bin jetzt 57 Jahre alt. Als ich angefangen habe, war ich 52 Jahre alt. Es ist nicht normal, dass man mit 52 einen so festen Job bekommt wie ich hier. Ich bin jetzt, wie gesagt, seit 4 Jahren hier. Ich fühle mich wohl hier. Die Arbeit macht mir Spaß. Ich habe eine gewisse Verantwortung und ich hoffe, ich kann hier bleiben, bis ich in Rente gehe.
我们仓库目前负责中欧班列前后端仓库配套服务。目前日均仓库进出库货物上百件。平时工作当中，德国同事认真负责，与我们平时相当融洽。
Ja, also ich hoffe ja, dass der Warenverkehr größer wird, dass mein Arbeitsplatz hier sicher ist, dass die Seidenstraße bestehen bleibt, dass die Verbindung größer wird und die Zusammenarbeit zwischen Duisburg und China noch größer wird. Und wie gesagt, ich dadurch meinen Job sicher habe, bis ich in Rente gehe. So wünsche ich mir das.
In today's environment, where maritime shipping dominates international trade, the China-Europe Railway Express has repeatedly demonstrated its effectiveness in stabilizing the international trade system. In 2021, amid the global pandemic, maritime shipping was affected by pandemic control measures and severe fluctuations in local supply and demand, leading to reduced operational efficiency and increased costs. Many businesses turned to safe, stable land transport. That year, while global shipping volumes decreased, the China-Europe Railway Express hit a historical record of 15,183 trips. In 2023, military conflicts in the Red Sea obstructed trade routes via the Suez Canal. This led many shippers to once again choose the China-Europe Railway Express as an alternative. The Intercontinental Railway has enhanced the global logistics system to withstand the unpredictable international situations. Since the first train departed from Chongqing, the railway has operated over 85,000 trains, reaching 25 European countries and 219 cities. In the past 3 years, it has transported approximately 1.65 million TEUs annually. By tapping into the latest logistics route established jointly by China and ASEAN nations, known as the new International Land-Sea Trade Corridor, the China-Europe Railway Express can even broaden its reach into Southeast Asia, connecting international seaports like Singapore.
And it is a tool, an instrument to connect much more parts of the Chinese and the European economy than it is today by deep sea or air cargo. So it is the link which can help us to even work stronger and tougher together.
展望未来的10年，我对这个充满信心。我们希望中欧双方共同努力，为这个国际通道的顺利运行共同做出努力。
For a century, the whistles along the Rhine have reverberated through the ages. From the roar of the Industrial Revolution to the harmonies of global cooperation, they have sounded the call for development through different eras.